What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Oh, Maliha,
Is this check in, check out? This is check
the best auntie in the world, and she's making cake. Cake, okay? Cake. You know what? This is Maliha, okay? So that's why she's favorite auntie of these children. सबसे अच्छी खाला मेरी बहन.
enough, yeah?
So my sister was the best khala,
No, it's juicy.
and now it's this one. I'm gonna show her face because she's in bad condition. She's in pain. She's crying about from pain.
I love
So she go with all this pain. So she was like crying from pain, her monthly pain. We were like, you know, with her, holding her bottle around with her, and then one of her niece say, I want to make cake, and she take all 8 of them to buy all the cake ingredients, and now they're making cake. So what a beautiful auntie. And this one, obviously, this one and this one. If I show you Sumaya, oh my God, she dying for her niece. So mashallah, 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 mashallah. My daughter are the best khala and the best pupu. And my daughters, my children got the best khala, Ismat. But unfortunately,
Are you waiting for cake?
but Kismet, they don't have a best
Are
pupus.
you waiting for cake?
I wish they can love my children
You don't
like
want to make it?
my
You're gonna have any?
Nafia, Sumaya, Maliha love them.
Very good, Alice. You did amazing.
It just looked like.
Very good, guys. Very good.
Why did I swipe it? Because it's so
Do you
yummy.
wanna have a little try?
Yeah.
So Maliha likes cake mixture. She used to eat this mixture whenever I make cake. You remember? She like
That is all of
कच्चा ये अब खाएगी और अब इनको भी खिलाएगी. ये देखो, ये जो कुछ करती है वही इसके नेफ्यू और नीस भी करते हैं. Even Hana eat it. Allah.
Okay, let's tell them.
You like it as well?
Amaya Yusuf Mika.
Allah. Are you gonna put that whisk again in this?
Amaya Yusuf Mika.
अगर नहीं मम्मा. So
will clean the place, Mama.
एक disadvantage. One disadvantage is always here, Hana, that your auntie mess a lot. So look, but at least she can make you guys happy.
Yusuf Mika, make your cake.
So all of you love
Okay,
Mila, isn't it?
Move up, guys.
Yeah.
Pour it in, okay?
Okay.
Right.
और फ्लोर पे बैठे हैं महाजरों की तरह.
So, you don't use your finger.
चले ये केक बनाते फिर आपको दिखाती हूँ. मीका सब है.
Okay, Ma, you do your one next.
So ये केक बनाते फिर आपको दिखाती हूँ रिजल्ट. और इस मंकी को देखे अपनी माँ की तरह ये चाट रहा है. Go and put in wash. किचन का बहुत बुरा हालत है. अच्छा किचन को जरा देखें. अस्तगफिरुल्लाह, अस्तगफिरुल्लाह, अस्तगफिरुल्लाह. How bad is the kitchen condition. वैसे मैंने ये सारा कुछ आज बनाया था. मैंने चिकन फ्राइड राइस बनाए, मैंने बनाया कीमा मटर, मैंने बनाया तोरियाँ, और मैंने बनाया कस्टर्ड और
You guys gonna fill the rest?
कीमा मटर और तोरियाँ सब कुछ खाया गया. हलवा तो ये भी अभी पड़ा हुआ है, पर इनको अभी खेलने दो, फिर आती हूँ किचन को सही करने के लिए और आपको केक दिखाने के लिए. Look and die, but don't touch anything.
Cousin.
I don't have favorite cousin. They all
I don't have a favorite cousin. They all annoying.
Okay. What's Ayla's favorite clothing?
Oh.
I know.
Oh, clothing.
Goody.
Like as in like.
Hoodie.
Clothing, like
Hey.
She loves cargo pants.
That's.
I was gonna say that.
And she love her agagata skakatanana. Pascha garme ke
She
machi.
loves that Baba jacket you
Da
bought.
babu jacket ne age bani.
Za, papa ne yo taposu ke che papa kaise pata. Okay.
How much does Papa know Mama?
Okay.
What
Papa.
do you
Zama tapos ki idana kina dakalta.
She always does that. Always.
Zani hoop. Aku te hoop lagi mah.
That's Masala.
Oh.
Read something on the.
Ha.
That's hard not to put.
Okay, let's see how much Maliha knows Caleb and how much Caleb knows Maliha.
Okay. तो ये इतना शोर होता है हमारे घर हर शाम को। अच्छा, इधर वाले लोगों को नहीं दिखा सकती क्योंकि इधर जो जमीन पे बैठे हैं वो बगैर स्कार्फ के बैठे हैं।
Okay. Okay.
That's the day.
So, Maliha, what is Caleb's favorite color?
Turquoise.
No, you got it wrong.
No.
Green. Orange and green is his favorite color.
You changed it. That's my favorite color. Orange is mine.
He said, I love orange and green because my mom loves orange and my dad loves green.
Allah. Caleb, you so cheesy.
Okay, Caleb, what's mommy's favorite food?
What?
What's mommy's favorite food?
Yeah.
Okay,
Caleb knows his mother.
okay, mommy now. What is Caleb's favorite movie of all time? Now you gotta tell me. You gotta tell me.
You gotta tell me too.
No, tell me so I know. No, but you gotta tell me so I know.
You don't know it.
He's making his own mind now.
Oh, I know.
He's making his own mind.
I know this one.
I know.
I know this one.
I know this one. Oh my god, why did you say
No, it's Spider-Man, isn't it?
no? No.
Transformers?
No.
No.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
You started watching Harry Potter movie?
Every time. That's mine, number one. And every time I say to you, let's watch a Harry Potter movie at home, you say to me, no.
Okay,
it's boring.
what's Mama's
You just said it's boring. So you're telling me all my favorite stuff.
What's Mama's favorite number?
Oh. Oh, I think I know it. I
You
know.
don't have favorite number.
Well,
Everyone has a favorite number. I have a
Zero.
favorite number.
I don't.
What's your favorite
She
number?
doesn't know.
She doesn't know
She doesn't know
herself.
the
What's so much favorite?
What was that? No.
What's so much
No,
favorite?
it's some.
I want to say something.
Movie.
Movie.
Oh, I know this. I know what someone watches though.
Bollywood, yes.
You don't know. You give up. Za. Bollywood. Wow. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
It's Bollywood.
Look, she answer you. Sumaya, she answer you. Bollywood.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Let's see if Maliha and Samaya knows each
What
other.
was that
Right.
I don't know, Maliha.
Let's see.
one? No, me.
Okay.
Me, what
Maliha,
about me?
what's Samaya's favorite color?
It is black.
No. I'm gonna ask you question now. Who is Nafia's favorite person in the family?
I don't know any.
Me. Me.
No.
Me. I'm the daughter. You're supposed to
Then you don't know.
I'm your daughter.
It's the adult.
No. That's blackmailing. No. Okay, Maliha, what about you?
But
What about you?
Maliha's favorite.
Your favorite person in the family?
Her mum.
it's definitely me.
Oi, kanjare. No, Sumaya's me, definitely.
Ayla is her life.
Ayla is Ayla.
And if you ask me,
Yeah.
Yeah, Ayla.
Hey, don't sing with kids. So everybody knows we like our own kids.
Yeah.
Let's say people.
People.
Outside your kids.
Outside.
okay.
I don't like anyone though.
That's true.
I like you.
Okay, tell me, who is Nafia's best friend ever?
Myself.
Huh?
Good girl.
She said, I love myself.
I love myself.
Oh, you don't love me. But you just say you love yourself.
I do after myself.
One.
Suma, what's Ayla's favorite candy?
Favorite candy?
Yeah.
Raffaello.
No.
So Ella to do a candy free.
Hold on. What's your favorite candy?
Ella, you eat too many.
Go on, you one now.
Oh, the fruit lollipop thing. The one that has around.
By the way,
No.
The halal one, juice pop.
Mama,
Fruit pop.
I have an announcement to make.
Ah.
My announcement is Chupa Chups is haram.
Chupa chup. What's chupa chup?
Just literally been given
Chupa Chup lolly has gelatin in it.
Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi rajiun. Shukar di chizo khukala loli
Oh
nakhram.
my god.
Sabia told me today.
Eats that. She eats Chupa Chups.
You know what?
It's
I've
haram.
never even tasted Chupa Chups.
Yeah, gelatin.
The gum.
They milk you see dili haram di bas asana khabara.
You could get lots of other lollies, huh?
Okay, Ella. So you tell. Okay.
Ask Ella another
Okay, so who is Maliha ever best friend?
Somebody's knocking on the door.
Maliha just killed it.
Shawa. Who is Maliha's best friend?
Who's my best friend?
Like patul mudda ke tul life ki sukh de best friend wa.
Sabina.
But are you saying outside my family?
Yeah, for best friend.
Sabina.
She had a
You are talking about Sabina.
Sabina na Sabiha.
No, it's the outside family.
Yeah.
Saima, I think.
What? No.
I always
Simon is my best friend too. But
I
I have
Zahia. Oh, Zahia.
Sabia and Simon.
Yes.
Sabiha Saima.
Not Zahia.
Nafia.
Oh, she didn't say Zaya.
Nafia Hana ine.
Who?
Hena.
I don't have a best friend.
No, like I khpal life ki chidi ho di.
Anish Katola.
Okay, Maliha, Sumaya.
No, bilkul.
Sumaya best friend ni. Okay, Ella use.
Sumaya is the best friend.
Ella.
Sumaya is a friend.
No, Sumaya best friend is her sister and her daughter Ella.
No,
But
Sumaya.
These.
Who ordered the bun? You should have got the chili squid, man. Oh. Who's it? We should have ordered the chili squid.
We just gave a name tag.
so our last meal before Pakistan. I mean, as a whole family. You gonna miss me? My heart is so. Maliha.
Why is that? You okay? Huh?
Your Facebook.
Oh no, my WhatsApp.
What Maliha doing?
Wow.
It's the final meal, all right?
Oh my
like a death row
God.
meal.
Too much
Well, it's
food,
not
man.
like a fine. It's not the last.
It's like she even ordered a bit more.
This is mental.
Loads because look, it's keep coming. Maliha, you ordered too much. Oh my God. Sami, sending video to Sami.
Assalamualaikum, brother.
We are in his favorite place, Wagamama. We just finished everything. Saad is here as usual on his phone. Hey guys, say hi to Sami.
She's just there like.
Mali, Sami. We are in next. buying some more stuff. Yes. Oh, look another one. Hey, my bunny. Come on, come on, come on. We're getting late. Come on. हम फिर जंगल में आए
Look at this one. She's knocked out of that.
Bambos, kids, last day. Why is it so blurry? Allah last na kare. No, it's okay.
When?
It's okay, it'll be okay.
You never do.
Allah last na kare, but holiday, summer holiday के लिए बस सुमैया जा रही है कल वापस. मलीहा जा रही है holiday पे. Tunisia? Tanzania. नाफिया और मैं 2 दिन बाद सुमैया के पास जाएंगे, फिर मैं जा रही हूँ पाकिस्तान. So today is our last day for inshallah for another couple of weeks to chill, to eat. तो हमने कल खाया जो वागा मामा में. We say this is our last meal, but no, our last meal is today inshallah. अल्लाह खैर से करे, last नहीं, लेकिन you've said that नजर लगती है ना. नहीं, शैतान सुनता है तो इसलिए मेरी अम्मी कहती है शैतान गलत बात बहुत जल्दी सुनता है. तो मंगो आए हैं बच्चों को किराने ठुराने. मेरा handsome बेटा है.
Oh, what is this? Why is
Wait,
it so...
let me ask them. It's the lighting, then it's get better. Siddiq feeling tired because every day we take children out. बच्चों के मज़े हैं और हमारे गज़े हैं. हम ऐसे बैठ जाते हैं, ये खेलते हैं. So this is Mambo's. आप लोगों ने 100 दफ़ा देखा है हम Mambo's में हैं. और सुमैया is proper tense because she say I'm gonna clean the house tomorrow when you go home. 6 weeks बाद जा रही है. And Dina is chilling. Dina favorite is Mambo chips.
Tomato ketchup.
Wait. They can get it themselves.